Hey guys, 2013 Econoline E-150 passenger van. 8-passenger van to be specific. Has a 4.6 liter V8, 63,000 miles. Minor surface scratches on the hood, nothing really to speak of. It's got like new tires in good condition, stock Ford wheels. It's going down the side. No dings or dents. A couple chips maybe. Nothing too extensive. Getting to the back of the van, we have the back bumper's got a couple of dings on it. Rear doors are in good condition. Got some cracking paint right here, about 2.5 inches from one end all the way to the other. Some light surface scratches here. About 3 to 4 inches is the worst one. Like I said, for 63,000 miles, this van's in great shape. Let's take a look at the interior. Hey guys, looking at the interior, we've got one very small, previously repaired rip there in the seat. Other than that, no stains or discoloration. No real stains on the headliner. Passenger seat is also in great shape. Doing a startup on the Econoline. No lights on the dash. AC is on. It's cold. Front and rear AC. As you can see, there's no cracks in the dash. It's in good shape. The rear seats on this Econoline are practically new. No stains or tears really, except for a minor scuff that must have happened right there, maybe a 1/4 inch. The third row seat in perfect condition. No scratches, no stains. Back headliner, there's a few spots. Nothing too extreme. Cargo area here in the back. Let's take a look. Some marks on the floor, as you would expect from hauling some stuff over the course of 9 years. There's no tears or rips or major gashes in any of the plastics. Nothing broken or cracked. Headliner back here seems to be in good shape.